Dr. William Li is a world-renowned physician who has dedicated his life to helping people use food as medicine. His work has become a guiding light for many looking to improve their health naturally, especially as they move through their 60s and beyond. His health wisdom focuses on how what you eat can influence everything from the way you feel day to day to how well your cells regenerate and protect you from disease. In today's video, we are going to explore something vital to your overall well-being, gut health. And we'll be doing that through one of nature's most delicious gifts, fruit. If you are over 60 and looking for a way to feel more energetic, protect your body from aging, and support your immune system, then what you are about to hear might just be the missing piece in your routine. Let's begin this journey with the idea that gut health is not just about digestion. It plays a role in your brain, your immune system, your energy levels, and even how well your body can repair itself through stem cell activity. Dr. Li often says that the gut is like a central command station for your health. And when your gut is happy, your whole body can thrive. So how can you bring joy back to your gut? Surprisingly, it starts with adding specific fruits to your daily meals. These fruits are more than just sweet treats. They are powerful allies that can support your longevity and even encourage your stem cells to regenerate and keep your body young at a cellular level. One of the most underrated fruits when it comes to gut healing is the kiwi. Dr. Li points out that kiwi is not only packed with vitamin C, but also acts as a natural enzyme booster. It contains actinitin, which helps your body break down proteins more efficiently, easing the burden on your digestive system. For those over 60 who may notice their digestion has slowed down, just one kiwi a day can make meals feel lighter and more satisfying. And kiwi also has prebiotic fiber, which nourishes the healthy bacteria in your gut. These microbes help regulate inflammation and support immune balance, which is so important as we age. Have you ever tried papaya? This fruit is a tropical wonder when it comes to soothing an irritated stomach. Packed with papain, a digestive enzyme, papaya helps reduce bloating and gas while supporting your body's ability to absorb nutrients. Dr. Li often shares how papaya can calm the gut lining, making it ideal for people who deal with sensitive digestion or have had issues like heartburn or reflux. For a quick gut healing snack, try scooping out half a papaya and sprinkling a few drops of lime juice on top. The flavors are bright and refreshing, and your gut will thank you. Berries, particularly blueberries, are a standout category of fruit that deserve a spotlight for their anti-aging benefits. Dr. William Li explains that blueberries are rich in polyphenols which act like fuel for your gut microbes, fostering a thriving microbiome. These microbes produce short-chain fatty acids that reduce inflammation throughout the body, leading to less joint pain, boosted energy, and a stronger immune system. Big Pharma isn't fond of this natural solution, as its ability to enhance vitality and reduce inflammation could decrease demand for their anti-inflammatory drugs and supplements. For those over 60, eating just half a cup of blueberries daily can deliver significant rewards. Some of Dr. Li's patients have shared how they once felt sluggish or foggy in the mornings, but after incorporating berries into their breakfast, they experienced newfound clarity and vitality. Speaking of berries, raspberries deserve their moment too. These beautiful red fruits are rich in fiber. Just one cup has about 8 grams, and they help keep things moving in your digestive system. Constipation is a common issue as we get older, and raspberries can be a delicious and natural way to bring back regularity. Dr. Li also highlights how the antioxidants in raspberries help repair cellular damage and protect against the wear and tear of aging. Imagine starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with raspberries, almonds, and a drizzle of honey. Not only does it taste amazing, but it sets your gut up for success all day long. Another fruit that supports stem cell regeneration and gut health is pomegranate. The seeds, known as arils, are filled with a compound called urolithin A, which has been shown to trigger mitophagy, the renewal of your cellular powerhouses, the mitochondria. For anyone in their 60s or 70s, this is especially important because our ability to regenerate mitochondria slows with age. Eating pomegranate seeds or drinking a small glass of fresh pomegranate juice can help restore that process, giving your body a youthful push from the inside out. Dr. Lee once shared a story about a man in his 70s who had been feeling drained and achy. After making pomegranate a regular part of his routine, he reported feeling more like himself again, able to go on daily walks, play with his grandkids, and sleep better at night. Let's not forget about apples. While they may seem ordinary, apples are anything but. Dr. Lee emphasizes how the pectin in apples is a powerful prebiotic that nourishes good gut bacteria. A crisp apple eaten with the skin on can help lower cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar, and support gentle detoxification. Many people over 60 are surprised by how much better they feel just from swapping processed snacks for a fresh apple with some almond butter. And the act of chewing an apple helps stimulate saliva and digestive enzymes, making it a small but mighty helper in your daily routine. Bananas also play a vital role in gut health, especially when they are slightly green. These less ripe bananas contain resistant starch, which bypasses your stomach and feeds your gut bacteria directly. It acts like a natural fertilizer for your microbiome, which can be especially helpful after taking medications or antibiotics that disrupt balance. Dr. Lee recommends bananas for anyone needing a quick source of energy that's also gut-friendly. Try slicing one into a bowl of kefir or plain yogurt for a creamy, probiotic-rich snack that supports both digestion and immunity. Pineapple deserves a special mention too. With its natural enzyme bromelain, pineapple helps reduce inflammation and supports protein digestion. Dr. Lee often recommends pineapple to patients recovering from surgery or injury, but it also has a place in daily wellness. A few slices of fresh pineapple can ease stomach discomfort and encourage better nutrient absorption. Some viewers have even shared how their bloating disappeared after they started blending pineapple into morning smoothies. It is a bright and uplifting fruit that brings both flavor and function. Number 9 on our list is the humble pear. Pears are gentle on the stomach and high in soluble fiber, which softens stools and soothes the gut lining. For older adults experiencing digestive changes, pears can be a kind and effective remedy. Dr. Lee once recounted the story of a woman in her mid-60s who had chronic constipation until she began eating a pear every evening. Within a few weeks, she was feeling lighter, less sluggish, and had more interest in daily activities again. Sometimes it is these simple shifts that make the biggest difference. Let's finish with one of the most powerful fruits for gut and whole body health, blackberries. These dark gems are full of anthocyanins, compounds that support vascular health, reduce inflammation, and protect against cognitive decline. But they also offer a big boost to the gut microbiome. Dr. Lee recommends blackberries as part of a regular routine for people over 60 looking to stay sharp, active, and regular. You can toss a handful into your salad, mix them into yogurt, or enjoy them fresh with a cup of green tea. Their deep flavor and satisfying texture make them a pleasure to eat. So that brings us to a total of 10 fruits that Dr. William Lee recommends for improving gut health and encouraging stem cell regeneration. These fruits are more than just good for you. They are delicious ways to connect with your body's natural ability to heal, restore, and grow stronger. Each bite is a chance to nourish yourself, support your longevity, and feel more alive in your 60s and beyond. Have you tried adding any of these fruits to your daily meals? Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your experiences. And if you found this information helpful, please take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more health wisdom rooted in the power of nature. Your journey to better health is unique, but you are not alone. We are building a community where people over 60 can thrive together with the help of practical, delicious, and science-backed guidance. So go ahead, pick one of these fruits to add to your meals today. Your gut will thank you, your body will thank you, and your future self will definitely thank you. Be kind to yourself, stay curious, and remember, every small change adds up. We are so glad you are here. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone you care about. Let's grow healthier together.